Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you could use the pricing rules in your PIM. So let's say you have a discount that's going on, right? You want to change the prices of the products either in your PIM master list or in your channel list, right? So here's how you could do this. Actually, you could change and you could modify the prices of the products on your channels through the PIM. So you could apply a specific rule. For example, right here we have the Shopify store selected, right? So on this side you'll be able to see all the channels that you have connected to your PIM. So if you have more channels, they're going to be shown here next to this Shopify store right here. So once you select the Shopify store, you're going to be able to see all the channel SKUs that you have on this specific channel. So in this Shopify store, we have these channel SKUs, right? We have 6 pages of products. We could also show multiple products per page, right? So if we change this to 20, then we have 20 products shown in one page. So with that being said, all what you have to do is that you'll either click plus or minus. If you click plus, then it means you want to add onto your product price on your channel, right? However, if you click subtract, then you're going to remove 50% of your of the value of the product that you have on your PIM and in your channel list, right? So let's say we want to give 50% discount on everything on our channel. So what we have to do is click minus 50%, right? You could also have the option to change from a percent to a dollar. So that means you'll deduct $50 from the product on your channel, right? However, let's say we want to do 10% discount for now. So what we have to do is just click apply rules and see what will happen. Okay, so after we click apply rules, as you can see, the updated price of the product has been changed. This is the original price of the product, and this is the updated price of the product. Now that we've updated the pricing, we want to push this new data, this new updated pricing to the channel. So what we have to do is that we need to select the products that we want to push. So if you just click here, this will select all the products that are here listed on this channel. And then once this happens, you're going to click sync to channel. And then once you click sync to channel, then all the products that you have here selected are going to be synced with the new pricing details to your channel. So once we click sync to channel, now all of this updated pricing that we have here on this side, right on this column, now this data will be pushed to your Shopify store. Now, as you can see, you could just refresh the screen right here, and then once you refresh the screen, you'll be able to see the last sync that happened on this specific product. So here it says that we last synced the details of the product and the prices of the product on May 6th at 4 p.m. This is PST time zone. So this is just in case you want to see when was the last time you modified your products.